Remove video noise. Open the gallery app and open the video you want to remove noise. Now tap on this AI icon and the Galaxy AI will analyze your video sound. Here select noise and now select auto. Now all you have to need, I'm selecting here 0 to show you my current video noise. Let's play the video. So as you can hear, this video has lots of noise. Now here all you have to need to decrease noise, select here 100% or 90%, minus 90 or minus 100. Now if I play my video, we can't hear any noise. Now just tap on save copy and the video will be saved. Now I'm going to show you the main video. Now let's see the final video. As you can see, this video has no noise right now. That's it.